A son-in-law wants to surprise his mother-in-law with a custom-made fancy dress on her birthday. One night, while she's sleeping, he sneaks in with a tape measure to get her measurements. Suddenly, she wakes up, catches him in the act, and screams, "Don't even think about it! Ha! Caskets come in standard sizes, you know." A moment of panic, then laughter fills the room as he reveals his true intentions. Don't give up on good intentions, my friend. Why not take your mother-in-law on a trip with you? Remember, your mom-in-law is one of your closest relatives and will always be there with your family, through thick and thin, through every minute of hardship and happiness. Now let me share with you the top 10 reasons why you should definitely bring your mom-in-law along with your family on your next adventure. Navigator Supreme. Turn here! Wait, no, it was the next left, or was it a right? Forget Google Maps. Your mother-in-law's navigation system is more exciting. She might occasionally get you lost, but each wrong turn is a detour down memory lane. With every misdirection, she unleashes a story from the past, making every route a thrilling adventure. Her navigation might not be precise, but it's filled with laughter and spontaneous explorations. "Oh look, we're lost again. Might as well enjoy it," she says, turning a routine drive into an impromptu sightseeing tour. The journey might be longer, but the stories and unexpected sights make it a delightful escapade. Who needs maps when you have decades of anecdotes to guide you? Gourmet Critic. Every meal is a culinary critique session. This needs more salt. Remember when I taught that chef in Paris the right way to season? Dining with her becomes a gastronomic lesson spiced with lively commentary. Judge-like in her approach, she savors each bite and offers unsolicited advice to the chef, turning every meal into an episode of a cooking show where she stars as the judge. Her detailed dissections of dishes not only enhance flavors, but also teach valuable cooking lessons. "A touch of garlic would transform this," she declares, ensuring that no dish is ever just served. It's improved upon. Her robust opinions make every dining experience educational, flavored with tales of her culinary escapades around the world. Packing wizard. "2 pairs of shoes? Amateur hour," she exclaims. Her suitcase is like Mary Poppins' bag, endless and ever prepared. She packs for every possible occasion, transforming her luggage into a wardrobe ready for any event. From galas to hiking, she's prepared. Watching her pack is a lesson in possibilities, the art of fitting an entire closet into one suitcase. She narrates her rationale behind each item with the flair of a seasoned strategist. You never know when you'll need a ball gown or a swimsuit. With each item packed, she shares a quirky anecdote about its past adventures, turning the task of packing into an entertaining show and tell. And now let's spice things up with a dose of mother-in-law humor. Ready to laugh? Let's go. Before getting married, a man should carefully weigh all the pros and cons of his partner. It's important that she be smart, kind, understanding, without any bad habits, preferably with a sense of humor, not greedy, and even better if she's generous. And only after assessing all the pluses and minuses of the potential mother-in-law should you start evaluating the prospective wife. Okay, dear friends, let's continue. Snack Guardian. Snacks for day 3, check. Midway munchies, check, she plans with the precision of a general. Her snack packing is legendary, a masterful blend of anticipation and allocation. She knows exactly when and where each snack will be most needed, turning treats into well-timed morale boosters. "This chocolate is for when spirits are low," she explains, wielding snacks like tactical gear. Her foresight ensures no one goes hungry and everyone enjoys the best treats at the perfect moment. It's not just snacking, it's strategic refueling, governed by her insightful rules and delightful snack lore. If this video is bringing a smile to your face or dropping a nugget of wisdom, don't hesitate to hit that like button. And your comments? They're treasures akin to finding hidden gems in a bustling flea market. We can't wait to read them. The Advice Dispenser. Her travel advice flows endlessly, each tip more valuable than the last. "Always bring a scarf. It's versatile," she advises with the certainty of a seasoned traveler. From how to snag the best hotel deals to avoiding tourist traps, her guidance is gold. She offers pearls of wisdom on everything, based on extensive personal experience. "Book early and never eat near a tourist site," she suggests, turning each tip into a mini life lesson. Her advice isn't just helpful, it's essential for savvy travel, seasoned with her signature humor and practicality. Memory lane curator? "There, your father once set up camp in a thunderstorm," she exclaims. Each location sparks a memory, turning landscapes into storybooks. Her nostalgic tales infuse humor into every landmark. Whether it's a funny mishap or a heartwarming reunion, she has a story to mark the spot. Her rich historical narratives make every trip a walk down memory lane, filled with laughter and lessons. It's not just travel, it's a journey through the family saga, narrated with her vibrant charm and wit. "Style Sergeant." "You can't wear flip-flops to a museum," she scolds. Her fashion directives ensure everyone looks picture-perfect for every occasion. Her eye for style is keen, matching outfits to events with military precision. "Dress for the photo op," she insists, turning every day into a potential fashion shoot. Her critiques are sharp but helpful, ensuring that no one ever feels underdressed or out of place. It's not just dressing up, it's an art form she masterfully commands, always with a humorous quip about past fashion faux pas. "Sleep Strategist." "You snore, so you're sleeping in the separate wing," she plans with the precision of a general. Room assignments are her battlefield, and she navigates it with strategic brilliance. You, the early riser, get the room with the sunrise view. Her accommodation arrangements ensure everyone gets their beauty sleep, optimizing energy for the day's activities. Her thoughtful planning means that everyone's personal quirks are accommodated, ensuring peaceful nights and energetic mornings. It's not just sleeping arrangements, it's tactical placement for optimal rest. She's paying? Hit the jackpot with your mother-in-law offering to foot the bill for your next vacation. That's right, sometimes the stars align and your favorite family financier decides to treat everyone to a getaway. Who in their right mind would refuse a free trip? Sure, it comes with a generous helping of mother-in-law commentary on everything from your packing skills to your choice of sunscreen. But hey, free is free. Embrace the all-inclusive, opinions-included holiday package, courtesy of mom-in-law. It's like winning the lottery, only with more advice. Free babysitting services? Searching for a vacation babysitter? Forget the hassle and bring your mother-in-law. She's the ultimate childcare hack. Picture yourselves enjoying romantic dinners under the stars while Grandma, armed with her endless back-in-my-day tales, keeps the kids in line back at the hotel. With years of parenting under her belt and a knack for finding lost toys, she's more than just a sitter. She's a family treasure. Safety Inspector. When you bring your mother-in-law along on vacation, she transforms into the ultimate safety inspector. From the moment you step into a hotel room, she's on a mission. Her eyes scan every corner, her fingers test every surface, and she's quick to spot even the tiniest speck of dust or the slightest hint of a problem. Whether it's double-checking locks, testing smoke detectors, or scrutinizing the cleanliness of the bathroom, her meticulous nature ensures that everything is up to standard. With her around, you can rest easy knowing that your accommodation isn't just comfortable but also meets her high standards of cleanliness and safety. Nothing, but absolutely nothing, gets past her vigilant gaze. Budget Manager. Meet your travel budget manager, better known as your mother-in-law. She's not just any financial advisor, she's the eagle-eyed guardian of your travel budget. Picture yourselves wandering through a bustling market, tempted by exotic treats and souvenirs. Suddenly, a familiar voice questions, "Do we really need that pricey handcrafted vase?" That's your travel budget manager, always there to keep your spending on track. But fear not, it's not all about pinching pennies. She's quick to find the best value, from tasty street eats to cozy accommodations. Why dine at pricey restaurants when you can savor authentic street food? She'll suggest, steering you towards delicious and economical options. With her guidance, you'll conquer travel expenses and enjoy unforgettable experiences. So dive into that cultural adventure, just remember to consult her savvy tips. Your travel budget manager is watching, making every journey memorable with smart budgeting. Walking pharmacy. Imagine this. You're on a sunny beach, waves crashing, kids playing, and then disaster strikes. A splinter. But fear not, for you have brought the ultimate vacation essential. Your mother-in-law, the walking pharmacy. Her purse isn't just a purse. Oh no, it's a treasure trove of medical wonders. Band-Aids? Check. Aspirin? Double check. Aloe vera for that sunburn you swore you wouldn't get? You betcha. Need an antacid after that questionable street food? She's got a whole arsenal. And let's not forget the herbal remedies that could probably cure a small village. Why waste precious vacation time hunting down a pharmacy when you've got a walking, talking first aid kit by your side? With every step, she jingles like a little medical cart on two legs. With your mother-in-law along for the ride, every trip becomes a multifaceted journey through culinary critiques, navigational challenges, and wardrobe malfunctions, all wrapped up in a warm, loving embrace. So pack your bags and brace yourself for laughter, learning, and a bit of loving meddling. It's not just a vacation, it's an experience that will enrich your family's story for years to come. And if you've enjoyed this journey with us, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more adventures. Your support is incredibly important. It helps us bring you more fun and insightful content from around the world. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and remember to join us on our next exciting trip. Until then, safe travels and take care.